Hi everyone, Kat here. Today I'm making lap. This is cooked ground pork. I just cooked the ground pork until it's thoroughly cooked, and then I strained it, and then I blended up until it's finely chopped like this. Okay, some people will leave it a little bit more coarse, but I like mine to be a little bit on the finer side, so just like that. Okay, so this is ground pork, cooked ground pork. We're gonna add to it some lemongrass. This is optional. This is beef honeycomb tripe, optional. Got some chili pepper, shallots, garlic. This is galangal, chopped galangal, kaffir lime leaves, okay, and some lime. Right? So I'm gonna put all this in here, except for the peppers. Peppers, if you like spicy, chop them up and put them in there, but my family cannot eat spicy, so I was just showing you, that's just for show. I'm not gonna add any chili. Okay, so we add all of this. Okay, and I love mine with lots of lemongrass, you guys. And we're gonna, let's use this. I'm gonna use about 1 lime. You can add more or less, it's up to you. If you like it more sour, certainly go ahead and add more. Okay. Gonna add to it some roasted rice powder, MSG, and this is my homemade Padek, guys. If you don't have a homemade Padek, then you can just go ahead and use this, okay? Tablespoon, and then this is optional as well. This is cilantro powder or coriander powder. Just gonna use half a tablespoon. And last but not least, this Laab namtok seasoning. Okay, and the spoon again. Okay, let's do 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna thoroughly mix this all together, guys. Squeeze so you get all that seasoning in there. Might need more of the Laab seasoning. Let's see first. Let me taste. Okay, give it a little taste here. Actually, it's good. I don't need it. Okay. And then we're gonna add some chopped herbs. I got some cilantro, green onions, mint, and Vietnamese coriander here. Okay. And we just, and you want to lightly toss this. You don't want to squeeze it or crush the herbs too much. You just want to mix it in there like that. And voila, simple, easy pork salad, ground pork salad, or lap pork. All right. And voila, this is cooked ground pork lap. This is my version. We call this Laab Moo in Lao. And it's not focusing. There you go. So yeah, this is how you make it. Very easy, very delicious. And typically you would eat this with sticky rice, but I don't have any right now. But you also eat it with here, lettuce, cabbage. I got some more Asian mints to go with it. This is fish mint. Very, very good with this fish mint. Okay. And I don't know what this is called, but this is a bitter leaf of some sort. It's an Asian leaf. We call it pak bam in Lao. Pak bam. It's bitter. Goes great with it. I got some chopped green beans. You can eat it with carrots, cucumber, radish, all those yummy fresh vegetables. I got some sorrel leaves. These are kind of tart and sour. Also, I have some pennywort leaves even here. Yeah, so this is what goes with it, and let me take a bite for you. Put some beans in there. Okay. Okay. Very, very good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.